If you're a resident of Bedford searching for the best window cleaning services to make your property shine, you've come to the right place. We at RedClean speak to thousands of customers every year. We're not a company to shy away from talking about our competitors. It's only fitting as a trusted company to be transparent about our fellow cleaning companies. In this blog, we'll introduce 3 window cleaning companies covering Bedford. At RedClean, we understand the importance of impeccable windows and aim to provide an unbiased review to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the world of sparkling windows and discover Bedford's finest window cleaning services. Crystal Clear Windows. Crystal Clear Windows is a standout window cleaning company in Bedford that has garnered a stellar reputation for its high quality services and customer-centric approach. With years of experience, they have become a trusted name in the window cleaning industry. What sets them apart? Comprehensive services. Crystal Clear Windows offers various window cleaning services tailored to residential and commercial properties. Eco-friendly practices. Like RedClean, Crystal Clear Windows is committed to eco-consciousness. They use purified water and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions to achieve spotless results without harming the environment. Cutting-edge technology. Crystal Clear Windows embraces the latest technology in their window cleaning practices, ensuring maximum efficiency and impressive outcomes for every project. Crystal Clear Windows team takes pride in providing top-notch customer service. They prioritise customer satisfaction, ensuring every client receives memorable and hassle-free experience. Bedfordshire Windows. Bedfordshire Windows is a top-notch window cleaning company that has captured the hearts of Bedford residents with its outstanding services. They are known for their meticulous attention and commitment to delivering flawless results. What sets them apart? Specialist window care. Bedfordshire Windows boasts a team of skilled technicians with a keen eye for detail. They specialise in handling delicate windows, intricate frames and challenging spots, ensuring that no corner is untouched. Residential and commercial expertise. Whether you own a cosy home or a bustling business in Bedford, Bedfordshire Windows caters to all. Their tailored window cleaning solutions meet the unique requirements for every property. Safety first. Safety is a top priority at Bedfordshire Windows. They employ advanced safety equipment and follow strict protocols to ensure their team and your priorities' well-being during the cleaning process. Transparent pricing. Bedfordshire Windows believes in transparency and offers competitive rates for their top-tier window cleaning services, giving you value. Sparkle Window Cleaners. As their name suggests, Sparkle Window Cleaners is a company that strives to add a sparkling touch to every window they clean in Bedford. Their dedication to excellence and professionalism has earned them a place on our top 3 list. What sets them apart? Pure water cleaning. Sparkle Window Cleaners specialises in pure water cleaning using high quality, purified water to achieve streak-free and gleaming windows. Their innovative approach ensures long-lasting results. Attention to customer preferences. At Sparkle Window Cleaners, they understand that every client is unique. They tailor their services to accommodate individual preferences, ensuring a personalised and satisfactory experience. Regular maintenance programs. Sparkle Window Cleaners offer convenient maintenance programs to keep your windows shining all year round. Their scheduled cleaning services take the hassle out of managing your window care. The team at Sparkle Window Cleaning is known for their professionalism and reliability. They arrive on time and treat your property with the utmost respect. In conclusion, Bedford is home to some remarkable window cleaning companies that have earned a reputation for their exceptional services. If you want to know more about our window cleaning service, please click on the helpful resources below.